Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reboot your iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or the new iPhone on the latest iOS version in a couple different ways. So let's get started. First, and the simple way you can do is by using the volume up and the side button that you want to press and hold at the same time for about a few seconds, and you should feel a little vibration in this menu pop up. You can slide to power off, so just like that, and that's going to turn it off. And another way you can also do this is if you didn't want to do the buttons or you can't time it correctly, you can also pull down from the top here. See a power icon, you want to go ahead and press that and it'll bring up the same menu. You can slide to power off as well. Now if that didn't work for you, another method you can do is go into your setting, go to general, and then scroll all the way down. You click on shutdown and the same menu will pop up basically, where you can slide to shut it down. And again, after you shut it down, the way to turn it back on is just by pressing and holding onto this big side button until the screen shows the Apple logo. Now, if for some reason that isn't working, you can also connect it to a charger, which will automatically reboot the iPhone. Now, final and an easier, even simpler way to do it is if you have Siri turned on in your setting and you have Apple Intelligent and Siri turned on, you can actually get Siri to completely do this in one step. So I'll just say, hey Siri, reboot my iPhone. Yes. And as you can see here, just by issuing that command, Siri will ask you to confirm a reboot or a restart in that case, and it'll go ahead and do all of that in one go for you. As you'll see here, in a few seconds we should see the Apple logo and it'll reboot the way it is. A reboot, remember, will not delete any of your data. From time to time, you might need to reboot in order to make the phone, again, perform optimally. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.